Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for software smarts made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Knowify, the all-in-one project and service management tool designed for contractors, construction pros, and service businesses. So whether you're handling estimates, tracking time, managing jobs, or just trying to stay on top of your business, Knowify brings it all together in one place. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, you need to visit the official website, which is going to be knowify.com. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials. If you haven't already, this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you to click the sign up button to create an account. All I have to do is provide all the information needed, and then you will be forwarded here. Alright? It's going to load up your account. Loading times may vary and you need to provide all the information needed. Alright? The next thing is you need to click this option to add data to your account. You can use sample data if you want to see what Knowify is all about. You can populate your account with sample projects to see reporting and organization capabilities, or import from QuickBooks Online if you have that, or you can start from scratch, explore your own and create jobs as needed. You can connect that to QuickBooks or import projects later. But for now, we're going to use the first option. So what type of work do you mostly do? Is it going to be commercial, residential, or both? What's going to do with that? Yes. And what is your average project size? It's going to be under $10,000. Let's click that, and it's going to building up your account. Takes a little while. Again, loading times may vary depending on your internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to an active internet connection and you're not using any VPN or any virus, because that could interfere with your connection. So once you've done that, your account is ready. You will be forwarded to the main homepage of Knowify. Okay, so as you can see, you have 14 days left in your trial core plan. And if you want to activate that, you can do this by clicking this small button. So this is going to be the dashboard. There's going to be a drop-down menu here where you can add a job, transactions, and a lot more. But we're going to deal each one of them. Now, the job here represents a project or work assignment you're doing for a client. It tracks all related activities like tasks, purchases, time, and billing. So if you want to enter a new job name, for example, client name, you can add one here. For example, Bob Belcher or Griswold Enterprises. All right, so is it going to be a fixed price or a fixed price with a IA style? So we're going to choose the first one. You can set tags, set due date if you want, set scheduling color, set project manager if you want it. But for now, let's gonna skip all of these and click the save job. So we have a first job created on the drop down menu. Now this is going to be a central hub for organizing work, because you would notice that you already forwarded to the contract proposal. All right, fixed price, cost. You can add new line item, and you can copy from spreadsheet. That gives you that power. You can copy from spreadsheet, import phases from plan, or a lot more. You can also put something here on the like short terms and conditions if you want. And of course, save changes. All right, so we've done that, and we're going to go to the next one, which is going to be the purchase. So leave that for now, because the purchase is a section for you to reference buying materials, tools, or services for a job. So you can choose from purchase order, expense paid with cash or debit card, or reimbursement from company will reimburse me. All right, so it's up to you. Verify and submit, click that, and we have already created a new purchase. Let's leave that for now. The bill is when a vendor sends you an invoice, it becomes a bill in Knowify. You have the vendor name right here. For example, ABC Supply. You can put in the comments. You use this to track what you owe and when you need to pay it, which is often linked to purchases. So you can clear data, you can verify and submit, you can have all these. We're gonna skip this for now, and we're gonna go to the invoice. Invoice is basically, it's a very self-explanatory. This is what you send your client to get paid for your work. So, for example, this doesn't have any active contract. What about kitchen remodel? It's going to be a fixed price, and you would have this classic invoice that you have created from the job details like time, materials, services used, which helps ensure accurate billing and, of course, timely payments. We're going to cancel this because we're going to go to the section where it says time. So time tracks your hours and your team spends on different tasks within a job, which is useful for payroll, job costing, and performance tracking. Can be logged daily or via timesheet. And of course, you can click that and submit or save as a draft. But we're gonna go instead to allocation because this is all about assigning resources, people, material, budget to a job. You can add a new allocation, ensuring you have what you need scheduled and accounted for, and of course, helping you plan and forecast job progress. We're gonna cancel this because we're gonna go to the task. It's self-explanatory. It's a specific piece of work under a job, helps break down a job into smaller, manageable parts. You can assign tasks to team members and track progress, and of course, it is heavily related to client. Now, the client is going to be the customer or company you're doing the job for, right? You can store contact info, invoices, and more, which is central to all the transactions and communications. When I'm going to click this, because I'm going to show you the vendor. The vendor is going to be the supplier or subcontractor you buy from or hire. It stores contact info, bills, purchase history, helps you manage your supply chain and costs. All right? Let's cancel this because we're going to go to the product. Now, the product refers to the physical items or material you used or sell in the job. For example, lumber, piping, paint, etc. You can also add unit of measure, unit price, and a lot more. Now, all I have to do is click the create product here, for example. Click the create product, and we have successfully created our product of our own. And last is going to be the service. It's essentially a task or labor type you charge for. It can be standardized across jobs like consultation, installation, used as an estimate in invoicing. All right. So for example, that click the create a service. So once you finalize that, we're going to skip this for now because you have jobs here. All right. The coordination hub. So these are going to be your jobs applicable to your enterprise. You also have the coordination hub, but it requires an upgrade. So if you wanted to leverage and utilize all the tools and features of Knowify, you might want to consider upskilling and upgrading to the paid plan. The job reports is about giving all the basic job reports, advanced jobs report, and contract progress reports, and a lot more. So these are going to be insightful when you create your first jobs here. All right. And then if you wanted to know more, if you want to connect to QuickBooks, I highly suggest you click this section right here, connect now, because you will be forwarded to a new page. If you are already using QuickBooks, this is going to be a perfect opportunity for you to utilize the seamless integration from QuickBooks to Knowify. All right. Now, having said all of these, I highly suggest you go to the homepage again and go basically to the pricing because, for one, it's going to be a make or break kind of situation. So the core plan starts $99 per month. You can start your free trial. The popular starts your free trial at $249. And the enterprise is something that you need to contact the sales professional so that they can schedule a discovery call and, of course, offer a tailored fit solution to your business needs. All right. And that's a wrap on getting started with Knowify, your all-in-one tool for managing projects, services, and everything in between. If this video helped you understand the basics, go ahead and hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe for more clear, easy to follow tech tutorials just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.